Ready for this one?
Got it. Steady now.
One more coming up.
Almost full. Good work. All loaded up. Good job. Let's get this to the market. Hop in. We're off.
What a perfect day for a drive. Couldn't agree more. The ocean looks beautiful. Let's see what's around this bend. Take it slow. I'm enjoying the view. This road never gets old. Feels like we're driving through a painting. Yeah, and the truck's handling these curves like a champ. Just don't go too fast. I want to soak in every bit of this view. The way the sunlight hits the water today is incredible.
It really is. Reminds me of the trips we used to take when you were a kid.
Those were the best. Let's make more memories like this. Beautiful day for a drive, huh?
It sure is. Look at those gulls.
They're following us.
They know a good ride.
They're so close. Like they're escorting us.
Smart birds. They know we're the best ride on this bridge.
This is the life, Grandpa.
ありがとうございます。旅の疲れを癒してください。いただきます。景色も楽しんでください。はい、のんびりします。
このお茶で少し休んでくださいね。
本当に美味しいです。旅の途中でこんな出会いがあってよかった。道中気をつけてな。
Careful with that one.
Got it.
Good. Let's get these on the dock.
Next one. Yes, keep it steady. These are getting heavier each trip. That's the price of fresh catch. Keep going. We're almost done. Ready? On 3.
1, 2, 3.
It's heavy, but we've got this.
Steady now, almost there.
These crates are heavier than they look, Grandpa.
Builds character, son. Just like the old days.
Almost at the truck now. Here you go, fresh and hot.
Thank you, son. They smell wonderful.
Of course, enjoy your day.
You too. See you tomorrow. Beautiful spot for lunch, eh?
Yeah, it's perfect out here.
Good to take a break.
Definitely. Thanks for this.